How do I start mixing? So if I was starting mixing again, starting to learn it for the first time, obviously I've got some insight now. I've been doing it a while. I would start off with tracks that only have 4 to 8 elements in, and I'd really try and figure out how they interact with each other and how changing them throughout a song can really, really affect the feeling and the emotion that you're trying to convey. Then I'd worry about EQ, and I'd probably start by learning top-down mixing, because that can really train your ear into hearing how other people are going to hear the music, and it can stop you from going down, the wrong path for hours on end. The amount of people that I work with over the years who will spend ages and ages and ages fiddling with the tiniest little details when the vocal is too quiet. And if they zoomed out and realized the vocal was too quiet, then they really wouldn't be worrying about all these other things, because you can't notice them once the vocal's at the right level. So if I was starting to learn mixing, I'd start off with the basics. I'd start off with small track count, and I'd start off with synthetic sounds from Logic or whatever DAW you use. I wouldn't go in and try and mix a live drum set that's got 14 mics on straight away, because that's really difficult. I still find that difficult every time someone sends me a new recording. It takes me hours to figure that out. So I would start off with just trying to mix balances, with like DI bass and DI guitars with amp sims, and just take all the hard work out of it. You're not going to become a really good recording engineer, a really good producer, a really good mixing engineer, and a really good mastering engineer overnight. So take a small chunk, pick what you want, and learn that.